Hey again, everybody. It's Thursday, August 24th. Looking at the Astro Excel for the month. Started out low Monday morning. We had this strong astrological push up, which peaks out today on the 24th at about 1500 hours. And then we go into decline with some chop in between. That decline is going to take us down to the area of September 2nd at 9 a.m. We push up into the 4th, 9-4, pressure down to 9-7 midnight, then a push up to 9-12, and then continuing down into the 19th of September. We have a little break here where we bottom out temporarily on the 14th and go up to the 15th, just after 1600. That's a look at the monthly. Here's the weekly chart for this week. You see we bottomed out. We've been in this uptrend, and you can see here where we peak out. This is that point in time at 1500, and then downward pressure into the end of the week. Let's take a look at the day chart, the 24-hour chart for the 24th. There it is. You can see the green line dialed in upward pressure. The actual peak is about 1357 as we hit this area of the long flat for quite a few hours. You can see the important spikes on the blue and the gray line here as well. We flatten out here this morning on the blue line. Both of these are upward pressure until the blue line peaks here at about 9:18 this morning. Then we've got contradiction for the rest of the, or actually till about 12:30, 12:15 area, and then the blue line heads up again in sync with the green line until about 1400 hours. And we've got this important spike peak here at 1420 on the gray line. So this tool can give you a lot. The gray line on the 12 and 24-hour chart can give you pivot points. Here's the early part of the day, and then the later part of the day broken down into half segments of the full daily picture. And then we can do the 2-hour chart where you can really dial in on the day's action, and these points are going to give you some good points. Like right here, you can see we've got a bottom potential pivot at 942, then again at 1007, then at 1021, 1036. So those are the most important times. You can align that with the rainbow, pH, or Cosmo, any other tools you want to use, aspects, whatever. So that gives you the extended look at the Astro Excel, which is tracking fairly well right now this week at this time.